Whoa. Just woke up to the bad news. I wasn't seeing the game. I wasn't actually watching the game. Still, but unfortunately, Damion Lowe picked up an hamstring injury. I mean, I don't know, mix up a word. Hamstring injury last night in this game. He just played roughly about 23 minutes in the game. What he said that he heard a pop and he pulled up, but that's not a good. That's definitely never a good sign. And it's very unfortunate, especially that we have the international games coming up right around the corner. And apart, I don't think he'll be able to make those games. I highly doubt that he'll be able to make those games. I can't see him in any one of those games. Up until the 25th now, or like about 2 weeks away. Hamstring. I don't think hamstring injury really. I don't think so. I think the normal, based off of the grading, between the range of 3 weeks to about maybe up to 4 months, based off of the nature of it and the grade of the injury itself. But apparently it's out with a hamstring injury. It's very unfortunate, and I do think that this one have hit him extremely hard. Now we're gonna have to look at the right side backup. So you know, Mariappa is going to be the likely person to slot in that area. This is very unfortunate because we're already trying to solidify the defense, especially the midfield, and for us to be losing players at this present moment, it's quite depressing. It's quite depressing, and I do know it's very unfortunate on the players' side of things, because I do think that this is actually a big moment for him, especially this Gold Cup coming up. Is it a possibility that they might still bring him? It's a possibility that I still bring him in the hope for his recovery. That's going to be a difficult one. That's going to be very difficult. But it's just unfortunate. So I don't think if I should gamble, I would say that we might not see him for the Gold Cup. If I should gamble, if I'm a gambling person, I think in the event that they still bring him, we might seem like, if we advance to the later stages, we might see him in July, but early next 2-3 weeks, I think that's a recovery. Because even in the 2 weeks time he'll be out, I don't think he'll be able to touch the pitch. Just strictly recovery. Then now 2 weeks time, light work. If based off the grade. I'm just assuming that it's one of the softest grade where we can recover in that particular time period. But unfortunately, I really don't know. And it's just very unfortunate. So speedy recovery, Damion Lowe. Hopefully this is not the serious one, and you still stand a chance of being a part of the Gold Cup squad. So sad news, people. Definitely sad news. Big up, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and speedy recovery, Damion Lowe. Big up, people. I'm out.